Alright, so Huawei finally did it. They've just dropped the world's first dual-hinged, triple-screen foldable phone, the Mate X-T Ultimate design. And yep, it's just as pricey as we thought. In China, the starting price is 19,999 yuan, or about $2,809. With that kind of price and limited availability, this phone feels more like Huawei showing off than something most people will actually own. Now, every model comes with 16 gigs of RAM, but if you're looking for more storage, there are options. You can grab the 512 gigs version for around $3,089, or go all out with the 1TB model for about $3,370. And get this, before they even announced the price, Chinese retailer Vmall reported 3.7 million pre-orders. That's wild. Let's talk design. The Mate X-T has this cool inverse dual hinge that folds in a Z shape, so you can use it in a bunch of different ways. When it's folded up, you've got a 6.4-inch OLED display, but when you fully unfold it, it expands to a 10.2-inch screen with a super sharp resolution of 2232 by 3184. And if you want something in between, you can partially unfold it to a 7.9-inch screen. The battery is a solid 5,600 mAh, and it charges fast too, 66-watt wired or 50-watt wireless. On the back, there's a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel periscope camera. And for selfies, there's an 8-megapixel camera on the front, tucked into the left screen when it's fully unfolded. Huawei also packed in some AI features like text translation and cloud-based content generation, which they showed off during the launch. Oh, and here's the fun part. Huawei launched the Mate X-T just hours after Apple unveiled its latest iPhone. And it's going on sale September 20th, the same day Apple's new iPhone hits stores. Coincidence? I think not.